Okay. I can keep, you know what? Domain, still 1. We're still in competency 3. We're still in competency 3, but we need to do the, what type of competence is this now? This is very in general. We'll do it in specific. Use properties of fraction, decimal, ratios. Okay, ratios. No, undo. It's not ratio. Can be ratio, but percent, proportion to model the solving real world problems. Okay, real world problems. So they're asking for sales price. Okay, it's like after discount. Okay, here we go. Let's start this. So the first is a store offers 20% discount. Okay, 20%. That's the rate. But on $50, okay? What is the sales price? Conceptual understanding. That's a sales price. Okay, there we go. Same application in real life, going to like mall, buying stuff. Okay, here we go. So the 20%, I need to convert this to a decimal, 0.2 or 0.2. Okay, so I just need to do is, the question is, what is the sales price? Okay, so I'm going to just multiply. Okay, I'm going to multiply 0.2 times $50. Okay, I got, this is discount price. By the way, this is discount. This, I got what? Oh, well, 50 times 2, it's a 10. So this is $10. So this is your discount. But the question is, what is the sales price? So usually I do it 2 ways, okay? I do it 2 ways. I'll show you first this way. So my original price is $50 minus my discount is $10. So my sales price, what do you think? $40. Okay, so that's basically the answer. But when I was in the classroom, I teach my student different way. Okay, in different way. The word that they use. Okay, the vocabulary that they use. Let's change the color here. So discounted price, because sometimes they use different words or different vocabulary. Discounted price is your final price after discount. The discounted price is final price after discount. So what does this mean? In every amount, they gave you, how can I, let me change the color. They said the discount is 20%. So you're going to use 80%. Okay? If they ask you for discount, this is how I teach my student when I was in classroom. No? I'm going to use this multiplier instead of the 2. So I don't need to do this process here. Okay? Immediately, I'm going to ask my student, this is 0.8. So 0.8 times, what's that, $50? So it ends up, my answer is direct to the answer, discounted price. Okay, you know what I'm saying? I can do that way without using these steps here. This step here. Because we did this step and then we subtract and then we get to this. Okay? So this is how I teach my student. I know they said 20%. Well, 100 is like $1 minus 20 cents. 80, use that number to get the new price or the discounted price. Okay? So the 20 is the number you save, discount. 80 is the one you pay, discounted price. Okay? Are you getting what I'm saying here?
Yes.
Okay, that's basically how it is. Okay, all right, I'll give another example here. The answer is this, no? I have a bag, okay? It's, let's say, Kohl's, from Kohl's, no? The price is, I want you to do it by using your calculator, okay? The price is 100, okay? But I will give like 15% discount. What is the discounted price? Use your calculator. 100, the price is 100, okay? So what multiplier are you going to use? Is it the 15% or the 85%?
The 85.
The 85%, no? Because you're looking for the final answer. You're looking for the final, how much you will pay. You don't care about, of course we care for the discount price, but sometimes what we care about is how much is that? What's the final, the discounted price? So the 85% of $100 is $85. That's what you want to. Although they said 20% discount, you can go directly to the process. Use the 80% times 50. You got $40. Okay.